Ngozi got married and it was a very private wedding. However, she did change her surname or edit her now surname. And it was hush hush. We don't even have pictures from the wedding, but it has been now alleged that the ex-husband, Khaya Mthethwa, who's a pastor and a singer, a gospel singer, is also getting married. And my source is SA Gossip Lab. Now, according to SA Gossip, Khaya Mthethwa is going to be tying the knot rather, with a gorgeous, gorgeous woman, and her name is Sneri Boo. I've never heard of her before, so maybe I'm pronouncing the name wrong. But according to them, they said Khaya Mthethwa once stood on the pulpit and confessed that the train of marriage had left him, leaving fans convinced he had sworn of love for good. After a painful divorce, the gospel star seemed to focus on ministry and music. Far removed from the idea of tying the knot again, his words carried the weight of someone who had closed that chapter for good. But love always finds its way back. Khaya has found himself smitten again, this time with Sneri Boo, the glamorous baby mama of Max lifestyle owner. The two are now headed for marriage, proving that sometimes the train doesn't just leave the station. Ooh. It circles back with first class tickets to a brand new love story. I love how they wrote this. This is like so saucy, so spicy. So this is the girl, allegedly, guys, who is supposed to be getting married to Khaya Mthethwa. And let me tell you one thing about Khaya Mthethwa, okay? He will get the most gorgeous woman to be his girlfriend, or most gorgeous woman to be his wife. Like, he makes sure of that. I mean, he has dated people like Nomza Mombata, allegedly Jessica Ngosi, and also got married to former Miss South African Dando Kunene. Like, and then look at the alleged wife to be. She is stunning. Now, in the comment section, somebody said, lol, a competition between exes. It was Tando and Junior. Now it's Khaya and Ntando Ngozi. I guess they wanted to say Tando Duma Rambani. Another one said, he only dates hot women, Yena shame. And then one asked, competition? Another one said, one thing about him, he keeps a baddie on the wraps. Now, this is cute. Marriage is a beautiful thing. If it is true, we wish him all the best. Now, listen, I've followed Ndando for a long time, and she's such a peaceful human being. She's a peaceful soul. But when I saw a post that she posted on her Instagram, I couldn't help but think that maybe she was being messy. But take a look at what she posted. Hardly post such things.
Wow, the pressure is getting worse.
But maybe I'm the one who's getting messy, because why is she posting that? And also, if Khaya Mthethwa had to get married, obviously she's going to be one of the people who's going to know that he's getting married, because obviously they do share a child together, and the child might also be, not even might, has to be at the father's wedding. So